Are we ready to do this? Can you stop shouting before I take this lollipop? Yeah, we're coming. Yeah, we're coming, don't worry. What is this thing? Yeah, we're coming. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, of course, what are we doing?
Into that house.
Okay, so basically there's a guest house. Okay, this guy literally has a mountain in his backyard, but there's a guest house and we're gonna break into the guest house. Tumelia is very good at breaking in, so he's gonna help us with this. Go, bro. Oh, Scott. So, Tumelu, we are witnessing terrorism right now. And wait, tell the camera what you need.
Milk, bottle, chlorine. Me. Okay?
Yeah, I'll just stand here from a distance. Ah, smell that.
Papa het ons tyd toegedraai. Hy gaan begin smal. Hy moet tyd toegedraai. Nee, hy gaan.
So how long does this take?
En daar blaas jy op.
A minute.
Jy maak dit so 'n bietjie melk.
Okay, well, I'm gonna stand behind this tree, so.
Hy gaan begin smal. Die bottel smelt, maar hy is styf nie aan. Ek dink ons het zombie weer.
Hoekom? What's gonna happen? Why am I so close? Come stand by me. You can't see the bottle. I want to go closer so I can see the. Like, you don't know when it's gonna happen. Like, you're in suspense. Okay, redo.
Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze.
On camera. On the Sharky TV channel, we do stuff twice. I don't know why actually, but we're gonna do it again. So we're doing it again. John, they make sure this is not gonna take this long again. And yeah. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, definitely be sure to hit the like button. Get say 30 likes on this video for us being DIY terrorists. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stand right here and just make sure the cap doesn't point towards you because it's gonna like literally projectile. What's up? Subscribe. Everybody's just getting that cap doesn't point. I just don't know when it's gonna explode. Like, are they inside? Great. When the bottles. Oh! That was crazy. bottles, okay? Clearly you guys can know which is which. If you're, for some reason you don't know, these the tags. So I don't know about you guys, but this one was the best. Anything you want to say about the experience, guy over there? The water is literally still vibrating. It's certainly not the wind. Yeah, I'm not filming. Yeah, go. Yeah, I'm not filming. Yeah, just let it look like these waves, like the explosion was the biggest ever. Oh, you can go. I'm not filming. Okay, can I film? Okay. So as you guys can see, the water is still a little bit rough. It looks like it was the biggest explosion. And the waves are natural, am I right? We didn't do anything before this. We didn't do anything. Yeah, so leave a like for this, I guess. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to go down, hit the like button. Let's get 30 likes on this video for a DIY bomb. You guys can go scare your friends. You can do it with your friends and your family. 30 likes on this video. And comment down below if you guys want to see me and the Starling Squad the next. Like and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.